Good evening, sir. This is my journal part. Yung speaker natin ngayon ay si Pastor Herson Traballo. Ang sinabi, ang reflection na dun sa sinabi ni Pastor Herson Traballo is, life is the most important gift that God gave to a one person. Meron din siyang sinabing meron siyang sinabing 7 essential for Christian life. Una, seek God and not sin. If you want to become better Christian, life is to seek God. Ang verse niya po yan is, ang verse namin is Matthew 6:33. Seek me if you want to live. Ang pangalawa po is, fear God not men. Ang sinabi niya po doon is, matakot tayo kay God, hindi sa mga opinion ng mga tao. Fear God, not human around you. Yung po ay Proverbs 19:20. Pangatlo po is, love God, not the world. Love God, not the world. Young people is very prone at temptation. First John 2, verse 15 to 17. Love the Lord your God with all your heart, your mind, and your soul. And ang pang-apat ko is, believe God, not Satan in your life. Yun po ay John 8, verse 44. Ang pang-lima na po nito is, obey God, not your appetite. Obey Him, not our own desire, to make a stronger relationship with Him. Tonight, 1 Corinthians 9, verse 24 to 27. At Isaiah 6, verse 8. This is essential for Christian life. Ang pangalan naman po is, let's serve God, not ourselves. At ang last natin is, worship God, not for